Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all know, or if you didn't know, then now you know, I have an Amazon storefront, which means I'm a part of the Amazon influencer program. The link is down below in the description. Go over there, take a look, buy something, support your girl. Okay, no, quite a few persons have reached out to me asking how do they go about signing up, what are the requirements, etc. So I thought I would make a video just in case there are other persons who want to know this information as well. Y'all know I don't gatekeep over here, so if you're a part of this channel, you're in good hands. So I'm gonna get right into it. If this is something you're interested in, definitely watch the video to the end and share with a friend who you think may be interested in this information as well. If you have an existing Amazon storefront, I'll also have a few tips that may be helpful to you, so definitely stick around. So how do you go about signing up for the Amazon influencer program? It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go to Google, you're going to type in Amazon influencer program into Google. When you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up, obviously, just like everything else. And then when you sign up, it's going to ask you to sign in with one of your social media platforms. No, Amazon has not stated any specific requirements for this program, but I'm assuming, based on my observation, I'm assuming that they're looking for a pretty active social media page that has posts, like that actually has content and has active people that are engaging with your content, because it's an influencer program. So basically the nature of it is you promote their items and make sales on their behalf, and then you get a commission in return for your efforts. They don't have a follower they don't have a follower requirement, so you don't have to have like 100 followers, 1,000 followers, 10k, 15k, 20k, 100k, million. You don't have to have a lot of followers. I literally got through when I had less than 1k on TikTok. Definitely make sure that you pick a platform that you're posting on and that you have a pretty engaged audience, and I think you will have a good chance of getting approved. Not everyone gets approved, but if you don't get approved at the first try, you can try again. You can definitely try all your platforms. So for example, they have TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So if you try YouTube and you don't get through with YouTube, you try your TikTok, try your Instagram, try your Facebook. There is no limit to the amount of times you can apply to the program. You can try 5 minutes after, a week after, a day after. Just keep trying, but just make sure that you're at least posting something on your page, or you at least have some content on your page, because I think that's a big part of what they're looking for. It took me a good amount of times before I got through, so some encouragement for you. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much all there is to signing up. Once you sign up and sign in with your social media platform, you will be notified right then and there if you are approved, if you are successful, or if you are not successful. So that's signing up. All right, so after you sign up, if you get approved, you will get an email stating that you have successfully been accepted into the Amazon influencer program, terms and conditions, your link to your page to set up your page and stuff. Let me know if you guys want a video on how to set up your Amazon storefront. For example, if you watch this video and you are successful, then you can come back to this video and comment. Leave a comment and say we want a video on how to set up, because when I just got through, I had no idea what to do, how to add the first item to my storefront, or anything about how I go about promoting or anything. So I can definitely make a part 2 to this video if you guys want that, but for this video I'm mainly sticking to signing up, the sign up process, and I have a few tips that you can use to promote your storefront. Alright, so after your storefront is set up and running, ready, Then the next part comes promoting, because if you don't promote your storefront, or if you don't promote the items that are on your storefront, nobody will know that you have a storefront. Nobody is gonna buy from your storefront. They're not going to magically know that you have a storefront. So you have to promote your storefront, promote the items that you have added to your storefront. The items that you put on your storefront, you don't have to buy them physically. You can post a screenshot, a video, whatever. But if you buy products and actually review them on your page, then I think that's a better way to get sales. But you can start out with posting screenshots of items that you like, and maybe persons will see them and like them and go ahead and buy them. Promote your page on all your platforms, all your socials. Another tip that I have that really helps is you can upload content on Amazon. So just like how you upload a video or a picture on like TikTok or Instagram, you can upload your content to Amazon. And what Amazon does, when you upload content, they push your content to their website pages. So we all know that people from all over the world shop on Amazon. Like, they have millions of users. So when you post content, if Amazon see your content and likes it, or if they realize that your content is getting some traction, then they will push it to their product pages. And if someone views your content on those product pages and go ahead to make a purchase, then Amazon will reward you for that. So that is another good tip that I have been trying to make use of. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. As I learn more, I've only had my storefront for like a few months, so as I learn more, I'll definitely share with you guys. Like the video if it was helpful, drop a comment down below, share the video with a friend, please subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.